Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I did a makeup look for you guys for Diwali. So I thought, what about the hair? So मेरे को decide करने में थोड़ा time लगा कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं. So I think majorly what we do on Diwali or any occasion, we preferably go for the curls or volumized hair. So this is the best thing I can teach you with your tools which you have at home. You can use either iron curl, you can use any rod, you can use any ironing rod, patla mota, anything would do. Sorry, आपको ये नमूने दिखते रहेंगे because I have 3 dogs वो हर वक्त पागलों की तरह जंप करते रहेंगे इधर से उधर, but they are sweetheart. His name is Doodle. So rest of the dogs I'll tell you later. About them I'll tell you later. Okay, so let's come back to the hair. So my hair, as you can see, they are growing well, they are good. People who have seen me short hair, so they know I used to have like this short hair, long hair, yeah. So now they are quite long, so I decided that color it. I did the color, but it's very dark. Maybe I'll change my color. The thing is, we need to, for the hair curls, make sure your hair is all dry. There should be no knot, nothing. What people in general they do is, they keep iron their hair, or they iron the hair in slightly moistured hair. So make sure you don't do that mistake, otherwise you're going to burn your hair. So whenever you do that, your hair has to be 110% dry. Make sure you don't do that mistake of not drying them. Make sure you do dry it well. Okay, so let's start the dryer. I have my Dyson. See, it's not a hype. I'm not showing you that I have a Dyson dryer. It's just I bought it. I like it. It's normal. You can even use any normal dryer. Okay, so let's start. Because I knew I have to make a video. So I'm just thoda sa drying it, so there should be no moisture. So that's what you have to do, guys. You have to do the same thing. Make sure there should be no moisture in the hair. अगर moisture होगा तो आपका बाल for sure, as you're gonna put the iron, वो burn होना शुरू हो जाएगा. And I'll tell you वो कैसे होता है. So my hair is now totally dry. There is no moisture, nothing. बाल कहीं से भी गीला या पसीने में नहीं है. It's all fine right now. So we're gonna take this section. आपको sections के लिए क्या करना है? That to section it like this, both the sides. Take any clip you have. ज़रूरी नहीं है इतना फैंसी होना चाहिए, या कुछ भी है आपके पास, कुछ भी है, प्लीज़ यूज़ इट. सेक्शन क्लिप नहीं तो कोई जूड़ा पिन, कोई बॉब पिन, यू कैन यूज एनीथिंग. तो जैसे कि मैंने पिन कर लिया है अपने बालों को. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, आपने 2 सेक्शन लेने हैं. पीछे वाले बालों को ऐसे ही छोड़ दीजिएगा, बिकॉज इट्स एक्चुअली फॉर द very beginners who can easily do this iron curls, and I really want कि आप लोगों को भी कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो आयरन करते हुए. तो हमने क्या करना है, हमने बालों को ब्रश किया है अच्छे से, राइट. एंड नाउ आपने एक सेक्शन लेना है ऐसे, ज़्यादा थिक भी नहीं, ज़्यादा पतला भी नहीं. यू कैन जस्ट जो आपको कंफर्टेबल लगता है, जस्ट टेक दैट इनटू सेक्शन. ऐसे सेक्शन लिया. आयरन ऐसे होती है. आपके रिस्ट का सारा मैजिक है कि आप कैसे कर सकते हो. सो मेक श्योर आप जिस भी वे में कंफर्टेबल हैं, जस्ट यूज द सेम ट्रिक. ओके, गो लाइक दिस. सीधा गए, ट्विस्ट किया, आयरन को अपसाइड डाउन कर लेना है एंड गो outwards. See guys, is it easy? आपको कर्ल्स दिख रहा है. सो ये बहुत लूज कर्ल्स हैं, राइट. अभी I'll show you कि अगर आपको थिक कर्ल्स और आपको पतला कर्ल्स, या आपको चाहिए बहुत वॉल्यूम वाला कर्ल और tight curls, I'll just show you. So we're gonna do 2-3 strand like this, and then I'll show you how you can do different type of curls. Okay. दूसरा सेक्शन आयरन को पकड़ा, स्ट्रेट जाने के बाद आपकी रिस्ट देखिए, मेरे टैटू पहले नज़र नहीं आ रहे थे तो मेरे टैटू आउटवर्ड्स हैं तो अब वो नज़र आ रहे हैं, ठीक है। यू हैव टू डू द सेम थिंग, नो टैटू टैटूज, ओके। सो ये हमारा प्ले है। तो क्या करना है, सेक्शन लिया पतला सा, ठीक है। आपके हाथ में जितना सेक्शन आता है बालों का आप उतना लीजिए। आयरन है ये वाला, आप लोगो, अगर आपकी आयरन में लोगो होता है तो आप उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं। बेसिकली आई गो थ्रू दिस, यहाँ पे नहीं है बट यहाँ पर है। तो हमने क्या करना है, हमने इस लोगो को पीछे की तरफ लेके आना है। कैसे लेके आएंगे, ऐसे गए, अब ये लोगो है मेरी तरफ फेस कर रहा है और ये प्लेन साइड आ गई आपकी तरफ। आपने जाना है बिल्कुल सीधा, इसको खींचिए, इसको डबल ट्विस्ट भी करते रहिए। मेक श्योर आप अपने बाल मत पुल कर लीजिएगा। अब आप देख रहे हैं ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा कर्ली है, राइट। सो अगर आप उसको डबल ट्विस्ट कर रहे हैं तो आपको डबल कर्ल्स मिलेंगे। अगर आप उसको सिंगल स्ट्रेट लेके जा रहे हैं तो एक थिक बड़ा कर्ल आएगा, ओके। आई होप आपको समझ आ रही है मैं क्या कहना चाह रही हूँ, बट दिस इज़ वेरी इजी, वेरी वेरी इजी। सी मैंने दोबारा से सेक्शन लिया, लोगो पीछे आ जाओ, लोगो आगे मत आओ, एंड देन आपने इसको ट्विस्ट करना है, ट्विस्ट करना है, ट्विस्ट करना है एंड पुल करना है। कर्ल हो गया। इजी है, इजी है। So basically you have to repeat the process again and again to get very volumized and nice curls in your hair. You can do this very very easy. I mean very very easily, I say. Okay, so I am going to just follow the process. Same thing, guys. You can do it very easily, but time lagega, but you will learn. Okay. So I've done almost the curls because I like this type of look, you know, which is very bouncy and not very very curly. Okay guys, so this side is done. Yes everyone, now we are going from the front and we are going inwards like this. You see the tighter curl and it's slightly little upwards. So it's just your totally wrist game how you do it. If you are comfortable twisting it 3 times, twist it more so you'll get much more curly hair. Okay, so एक बार और let's try it. Logo जाओ अंदर. So see, I know how hard I'm going on my hair, so that's my comfort. Okay, आपको अपने comfort देखना है कि आपको अपने बालों में आयरन करते हुए कितना comfortable feel हो रहा है या कितना नहीं हो रहा है. So exactly the same thing you have to follow here. And मैंने section clip इसलिए यूज़ नहीं किया है इसमें क्योंकि आपको कोई मैं 10 सेक्शन निकालने के लिए बोल दूँ, आई थिंक आपका आधा टाइम उसमें वेस्ट हो जाएगा. सो यू मेक श्योर आप बाल ड्राई करने के बाद अपने बालों को ओपन कीजिए, कहीं से भी रैंडम सेक्शन उठा के, कोई भी सेक्शन उठा के आप उसको कर्ली कर सकते हैं. ये देखिए, आई शो यू वेरी क्विक थिंग. कर्ली. सो आई जस्ट वांट यू टू फील कंफर्टेबल टू. तो हम ज़्यादा मैथ्स में नहीं जाएंगे, आपके लिए इजी और जो भी 5 मिनट्स वाला काम होगा, आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू दैट कि कैसे आप अपने इजी कर्ल्स कर सकते हो. और या एक और चीज़ दैट आप ये मत सोचिए दैट यू नो ओके इफ आई एम डूइंग दिस वे और दैट वे और ट्विस्टिंग इट वाइज और थ्राइस हाउ द कर्ल्स आर गोना बी मेसी ना हो जाए. नथिंग विल हैपन. कर्ल्स इज ऑल अबाउट मेस. ओके, अगर इफ इट कम्स आउट मेसी, it's gonna be much more volumized and it's gonna be very nice and you know kind of a look which as you come out with the salon it's gonna look like that. Okay, so don't worry, nothing will happen. Just feel confident and keep your hair in a good state. Make sure don't burn them. That's my request. Please don't burn them. Make sure you dry thoroughly. Okay, and then you start your curls. So look at my hair, it's all curly now. See, the both sides are going outwards. I mean to say, when you do it here, twist your wrist, it will go outwards. When you come this side, you can do it this way as well and this way as well. See, I open my section here, divide, put them up, okay, this section of yours, brush it well. Okay, if you think आपको एक section में करना है, 2 section में करना है, 3 section में करना है, is your wish. Okay guys, so it's totally your wish. आप 2 section में, if you wanna do it in 2 section. You wanna do it in 3 section, do it in 3 section. See, I'm doing it in 2. So here, as I was saying, how you have to go is, I go this way. चलो चलो आगे आओ आयरन जी आगे आओ. So we go this way. Alright, and now my another section. Take it because I need that outwards look. I need that. Have you got my point? No? Fine. Let me do it again for you. The same section, but I'll take it from here. Okay? Have to go, okay fine, hold your hair, go like this, go in the front, but here again you're twisting your wrist. That's the basic thing and that's the main thing. So here comes my next section. Okay, because now this is my right hand and this is my left side. I have to go this way, hold it, yeah, but we have to go aage. Okay, fume, you see, because as I'm shooting and I'm sitting in front of the light, so I can feel a bit of sweat in my hair. That doesn't matter, it's okay, but yeah, you have to go like this. So that was my section, and I'm gonna do the another section. I'll tell you, this is your left side, this is your right hand. You have to go yahan, catch your hair. It'll be very easy for you if you're gonna hold the iron this way and twist. Do you see my wrist? How I'm going? So this is for the very, very curly hair. If you need it from the top, you need a volume. So I'm just showing you how you can differentiate in the curls. If you see this one, this is going outwards because I want it to be, a little lower, so I can show you how you can create the both different looks, different type of curls. So now you see this is from the top. So people who have really, really thin, fine hair, they can try this. They can majorly do the hair from the top, curl it well, curl it with 2-3 twists, so it will give you more volume and the curl will stay for longer. To the final section, we're gonna brush it up well. I use the Body Shop brushes. They are the bamboo brushes, very good, very nice quality. Okay, so come back to the curls. We're gonna do the section in 2 ways. You can see. Okay, I can't move my leg because sitting for so long. Okay, you have to go this way. Make sure you don't burn your scalp. Go easy, go easy, go easy. Okay, it has to come like this. You see, the iron was like this. Hold your iron, go like this, go in the front and twist it and leave it. So you will get this curl. Okay, let me do it again with this small section so you will get to know more about the curls. Hold your section like this, and then your iron comes here. Go straight, go straight, go straight. Okay, this fume, because I applied the serum, it's just because of that. So you get these two noodles here and you put them back, right? When we put them back, you get this kind of a look. I hope you find it easy, and maybe because I'm professional and I'm doing it from so long and keep doing it, but you guys go slowly and gradually, and I'm sure you will learn very, very quickly if you're going to be regular with it. But yes, make sure, it's a request, don't burn your hair, don't burn your hand, don't burn your scalp. So you can low on the temperature. So I'll show you how you can do it with your iron. This is the basic things I can tell you. My iron, if you see, the temperature is here and the temperature is around high, it's above 200, which is normal for the hair. You can use this, but only if you are professional and you've already tried so many times doing the curls, that's fine. But if you're beginner, make sure you go very, very slow, so that in case you can lower down the temperature. You see, it has gone down now. Okay, so the same thing you can do it. So the normal temperature which you can keep is 150, 180, but with that the curls won't be that strong, they won't stay for long, as the heat is not going to penetrate in the curls. Okay, so make sure use a good iron. This iron is basically a professional iron. It's a Cloud9 iron. I'm using it from past 9 years. It's wonderful. It's ceramic. If you guys are spending on iron, make sure you buy the ceramic one, because it works for very, very long. It's good, it'll stay with you forever, and it won't burn your hair. But any iron can burn your hair if your hair is not dry. That is the thing which you really need to keep it in your mind. Before curling your hair, make sure your hair is 100% dry. I hope that makes sense. I hope you liked it. So in return, I need that you share, like and subscribe to my channel. Keep giving me your love. Give me lots of love and comments, and keep sharing this, keep spreading this video so many other people who are so unaware about the curls, they can learn it, and you guys can thank me later. See you.